Hey guys, Jake Ramos with Bob Hurley Auto in Cleveland, Oklahoma. I hope you guys are enjoying this beautiful October day. I got a bad boy truck to show y'all. Inside the truck, we have powered seats, power locks, power windows, nice big touchscreen, heated and cooled seats, dual AC and heat, Bluetooth audio, cruise control, 2 USB charging ports along with an auxiliary, your 4-wheel drive control, your backup camera, anything you need while driving this truck is equipped with. Feature this truck has to offer is its full moonroof for a great view for the passengers riding in the back or the people up front. So guys, come on out to Bob Hurley Auto in Cleveland, Oklahoma and check out this bad boy 2015 Ford F-150 Lariat. Just one of many hundreds of cars, trucks, and SUVs we have to offer. Give me a call at 918-629-4903. Come join the family.